If the sky turn into stone, it will matter not at all, for there is no heaven in the sky. Hell does not wait for our downfall. Let the voice of reason shine. Let the bias vanish.